Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're opening up the 2020 K case. This is a case from Grana Toys. Check out their link in the description below, and just want to let everyone know that this is not a paid advertisement. I actually buy my own cases from Grana. I have a subscription with them, so I pay full retail. I don't get any kickbacks, but I want everyone to know that I get them from Grana Toys. So smash that big thumbs up for a like on this video. It is very important, and if you're not already a subscriber to the Hot Wheels Garage crew, you better hit that subscribe button as well, because it's really important. Alright, Siri was having a little bit of a chat to me there on my phone, my watch. Alright, let's get into this case and check it out. Oh man, some really nice cars in here. I can just smell them. Look at that 20 Jeep Gladiator. That was a new casting for 2020. We've got Night Dragon, and we've got the Humvee from the Hot Wheels Art Car series. Recently opened that up. Do you know what the Art Car series are going to spell out yet? I have absolutely no idea. Alright, we've got a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, very nice. The 98 Honda, a Prelude in silver, very nice color. And the Audi Rs5 Coupe in black. Take a look at that. Very, very nice car. Oof, I like it. And the wheels on this look cool too. Nice. Alright, we've got a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. We've got the Velocitor from the Hot Wheels Olympic Games Tokyo Series 2021. And we've got the 68 Shelby GT 500. All right, with another Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Another Honda Prelude, very nice, that's fine. I don't mind having another one of those in the collection. And we've got another Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Considering they only made 20 in real life, Hot Wheels is sure pumping those ones out. Oh man, look at the orange on this one. That 49 Ford F1, beautiful. Man, I think those white disc wheels looks pretty cool too. Now we've got a 57 Chevy in the Rod Squad. This would be a super treasure hunt of the case. I do have one. I'll show you at the end of the video, but this is the main line, and that pink color is very, very nice. Let me know what you think in the comments below of the pink on this 57 Chevy. Now, a popular one that I've heard a lot about everyone getting excited for in this case is the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. Now, it is a police car, and you know it's a little bit funny when you look inside. I'm not sure if you can see clearly, but it's a left-hand drive with Japanese writing on the side. Wouldn't happen. So it's not really a JDM. What's Hot Wheels doing? Putting Japanese police symbols on the side there on a left-hand drive car. Very, very weird, but still cool to have in the collection. Look what I've got. Look what we've got. The custom 56 Ford truck from the Hot Wheels Art Car series. So we will be able to finish our Art Car series words this year. And it is the treasure hunt for this 2020 K case. Very, very nice. That is spectacular. Really look at those two colored wheels. I mean, blue and green should never be seen unless there's something yellow in between. Take a look. Very, very nice. I like that. We've got another 68 Shelby GT 500 and the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This is a pretty cool car. I do like that Civic Type R. What else? Oh, we have another Civic Type R, so speak of the devil. The 57 Plymouth Fury, we recently opened that one up. It's a very nice car. And we have Mad Props in the Hot Wheels Rescue series. I'm not really sure what sort of rescuing Mad Props is going to do. Okay, we've got a Croc Rod. We've got a 98 Acura NSX, or Acura, where you ever come from. How do you say it? I say Acura. We have another Velocitor. We've got that 2018 Ford Mustang Gt. Very nice car. I really do like it when we've got those brawler graphics. They look pretty cool. And we've got two Beetles. Yeah. BMW Z4M Motorsports. Nice. We have another 16 Lamborghini Centenario, apologies, Roadster to add to the collection. Very nice. And we've got a Batcopter. Probably can go in the same pile as Mad Props. Oh, this one can go in the same pile too. The Hot Wheels 450F with the Baja Blazers there. Another Ford Mustang, that 2018 Ford Mustang GT, and the BMW Z4 Motorsport for a second time in this case. Oh, this is one I've been waiting for here. That 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, that's the second one of the case. And we've got the Jaguar Xe Sv Project 8 in that, what is it, British Racing Green? I don't know, it's a bit too metallic, but it's a very nice color. This 86 Monte Carlo Ss. It's such an awesome car. There was a lot of cars in the 80s that were very boxy, and you know, maybe at the time, or maybe early 90s when I started to like cars, I didn't really like the boxy shapes, but now that they're not here, you know, they're pretty cool. Let me know what you think of the 86 Monte Carlo Ss in the Muscle Mania series for 2020 from Hot Wheels. Okay, that is the first layer done. Just a quick scan in there. What do we got? Ooh, some niceys. 2 custom autos, very cool. Electro silhouette. It's a recolor. Nice. Here we go. What do we got? La Fasta, the art car series. Manga Tuna and Veloci Racer. It's a track star. I'm not sure how that back end would go in a booster. I wonder. I should probably get it out of the card and check it out. Oh, these cars are falling over. Ooh, the 69 Camaro. Very nice. Soft top there. That is a nice looking car. That blue is very, very nice. Take a look. And then we've got the Grand Cross. Is this a new casting for 2020? I think it actually is. This is the international case, so it doesn't have the guaranteed for lifetime symbol there as the US case does. So international cases don't say when the cars are new for that year, but I think that is a new casting for 2020. We've got another 69 Camaro. We've got a recolor on Roger Dodger 2.0, and this recolor is very nice. That is a very nice car, yes. Range Rover Valar in red. Take a look, red with the black roof. This is really nice. We've seen a few of these now for 2020. Black, white, red, silver. This is a nice casting, and I'm really happy to see it in a lot of colors. Oh, another one. Here we go, the Bone Shaker. But this is one that we've been looking forward to. That 2019 Audi R8 Spyder. Very nice, factory fresh. So we've got all the details there on the headlights. We've got the number plate, stumbling over words there. We've also got on the rear number plates, tail lights, Audi symbol. Oh man, that's a nice car. Very, very nice car. I do like that. We have another, whoa, throwing them away now. We have another Bone Shaker. We've got the 2010 Toyota Tundra. That is such a big car. Take a look. I mean, in comparison to this Too Tough, this Tundra is huge. Too Tough. And this looks pretty cool in the Surf Rescue here with that, you know, yellow sort of, we've got the yellow interior, so we've got some yellow trim with a black base. But yeah, the yellow trim looks nice, and that blue color is very, very standout. I do have a bias towards that sort of metallic-y blue color. Circle Tracker. Very nice. The 75th anniversary for Mattel on that one. That is a recolor. Formula E Gen 2 car. Why can't this be a track star? It doesn't say. I wonder, you know, if they made it to be a track star. And this is a new casting. Big Air, Bel Air. I'm not sure what I think about this one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But I've heard a lot of people talking about it, and it definitely is going to be a popular casting. And with, by the looks of it, only one in the 2020 case, it's going to be hard to find on the pegs. So if you want one, good luck. Keep your eyes open. The Custom Cadillac Fleetwood. This is a nice car. This is not going to work on the track. It is way too long for the booster. We've got the Eric Stein rod. We've got too many of those now. And we've got a Veloci Racer again. Spoke too soon. There's 2 Big Air Bel Airs in the case. I didn't think I saw a second one. Okay, that's good. That's a good start. There'll be more to go around as long as people don't take more than they need. That Toyota 2000 GT. Very nice casting there. Very, very nice. And we have another Manga Tuna. The colors on that Manga Tuna are pretty crazy. We're almost at the bottom. Got the Datsun 620 in a matte red color there. Very nice. I wonder what it will feel like in my hand. You know what? What does it say on the side there? JDM Legend. Really? Really? I mean, Datsun is a Japanese brand, but it's a left-hand drive car. It's not a JDM. JDM is a Japanese domestic model, so we would have a right-hand drive. We have got the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, another 57 Plymouth Fury. Oh, coming to the bottom. The 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class in red recolor. That is a beautiful car. Very, very nice little hot hatch. We've got two of the custom 01 Acura Integra Gts R. I actually like this one. It was in purple for the first release this year, and now in the red here, it's actually pretty nice. Okay, so we've got some hot cars, because they're flames at the bottom here. So we've got that 71 Dodge Charger, very nice. Yeah, that's, I mean, it could even be part of the Muscle Mania series, couldn't it? Because it's a pretty muscly American sort of car. And same goes for the 69 Dodge Charger there. So two pretty cool cars from the Hot Wheels Flames series. Probably open those ones up together and get them on the track. Oh, this one's a track star. Very, very nice. And to finish off the case, we've got the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. Okay, let's take a look at my picks of the case. Definitely going to say the Grand Cross. Very, very nice casting. The Big Air Bel Air, that is definitely a highlight. Getting the Treasure Hunt Custom 56 Ford truck, that is pretty special in the case. The 57 Chevy, let's take a look at it against the Super Treasure Hunt. So this is what the Super would look like versus the regular. And I've been criticizing the plastic wheels on these Super Treasure Hunts recently, but I think this one maybe has it right. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are these real riders on these big plastic rims looking okay? But that is very nice. That Super Treasure Hunt, and the main line is nice as well, so that is pretty cool. This fake Japanese police car, that Nissan 300ZX twin turbo, definitely a cool one for the case. The Toyota 2000 GT, man, how many do I like? The Audi Rs5 Coupe in the black, that is spectacular. And I'll also have to say the 69 Camaro is a very, very nice casting. All right, everyone, big thumbs up. And most importantly, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Also, don't forget to check the link out below for our merch store so you can grab yourself a t-shirt or a hoodie so everyone knows you are part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.